So now we just wait for lightning to strike?
No, we summon it. That's what this is for.
Are you sure that's gonna work?
I've done this like 100 times.
I thought you got the book in the mail today.
Well, I've been practicing the bathroom like 100 times.
I'm not really sure that counts.
Shh. I don't want to get caught out here, okay? Let's just get this on with. Here on the 3rd year anniversary of the demise of the dead cat killer, we call upon the sky to bring down what once raised her demise.
Holy shit, I didn't think that would actually work.
What did I tell you?
Yeah, you really proved me wrong.
Mark, where'd you go?
Where's your boss at?
Who?
Clark!
Oh, him? I don't know. He's probably hiding somewhere.
Why would he be hiding? Oh, I see. So what happened to your friend?
Well, you slit his throat, remember?
Hey man, don't look at me. Well, do you know where Clark is?
Probably at his house?
Do you know where that is?
No, but my buddy Casper might know. He can track it.
Isn't he dead?
Oh, right. I forgot about that. I got another guy downtown. He's real good at finding stuff. He helped me find myself when I was lost.
So can you take me to him?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
It'll cost you.
I didn't even tell you what I wanted yet.
Alright, fine. What do you want?
I need you to find this guy named Clark.
It'll cost you.
Okay, how much?
Not how, but what.
What?
Exactly.
What do you want from me for Clark's location?
One child's t-ball bat.
Oh yeah, I lost that years ago.
Well, why didn't you tell me? It would help you find it.
Well, I did, but you said it would cost me another child's t-ball bat.
Cut the crap. I need you to tell me where Clark's location is right now.
I ain't telling nobody nothing until I get that bat.
Fine, let's go find the bat.
Oh, hey Roger, hey. What's going on? It's me, Carl.
Oh, hey bro, what's going on?
Hey, yeah.
Never seen you in a while.
So listen, I kinda need a favor.
Yeah?
You got any, like, extra child's t-ball bats?
Child's t-ball.
Wait a minute. Oh, sick.
Hey, yeah.
Hey, oh,
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
This is, yeah. Oh, I'll see you tomorrow then.
You got the bat?
Right here.
Of course you do.
This'll do. What happened to your arm?
I don't want to talk about it. Where's Clark?
He's dead.
Why are you crying?
They never paid me. Where are you going?
Away from here. There's nothing left for me.
Are you ever coming back?
Probably not. Maybe we'll see each other later.
Here, on the 3rd anniversary of the killer of the dead cat killer, we call upon the thing that once killed him.
You really revived me just to kill me a second time? Well, look how that turned out. This time, I get my revenge a second time.
Revenge for what?
Revenge for killing my cat all those years.
You got the bat?
Of course I do.
Oh my god. This'll do.